So you have a time, you really have a time, but you're looking to make some money and you're looking to get that money into your bank, but there's a catch and there's something that's stopping you. That time you have and your spare time you have, you're not making money. Now, how about if I tell you you can really make money without doing anything? It's just you gotta do some real stuff that is gonna take you 2 minutes of your time, and then that money will keep generating you, and you are gonna cash out this money into your PayPal, Amazon gift card, into your Walmart gift card, Target gift card, and basically any card you have, and you can get that money. I'm gonna also show you all the proof you guys want. I'm gonna also show you that you can do this even without having a laptop or computer. You can literally do this from your phone. And now we're gonna be starting the video. Now, before we even start, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to turn that subscribe button into the dead normal color, because right now it's basically right now it's red, so make it to gray. And also make sure to like this video if you have been following me around and you have checked in my content, so make sure to like this video as well. And without further ado, let's start with the video. Now, there's going to be a really nice announcement that's going to be towards the end, so make sure to tune in so you get the huge bonus that I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video. Now, let's start the video. Now, the website that we're going to be talking about, it's called Get Dabble. All right, this is the website that we're going to be talking about today. It's called getdabble.com. Now, don't skip out anything, because the good part and the most thing that you need to get to know is going to be coming soon, so make sure to watch this video until the end. Now, yeah, so this is the website that we're going to be talking about. So basically, this is all they talking about, that you have a spare time, you have any time that you want to get that and then turn it into a gift card. Basically, this is the catch that they're telling you guys about. And like your spare time, you're gonna be getting money by just like, instead of you going to social media, you can just use this app and earn money. And this is basically what is it what they're talking about. Companies are battling over your attention, and now and more than ever. So basically what the old way is that you might feel like you are a star in all this, and the old way is to treat you like a product. So basically what they do, like the Facebook, what they do is they're giving you these free products or free service, or they give you free stuff, huh? And then they're gonna charge you, and then they use your privacy and to give it to the advertiser, and you're basically not getting anything back. They said, you have Facebook, you can use our software, but we're gonna get paid in any other way, like we're gonna give you data to these people. And that's what they basically mean. So this company, what they're doing is they are going to treat you like a partner, not a product. Like they're going to give you money, they give you everything, and instead you're just going to give them service. So you're going to be start in minutes. So basically no coupon to clip, no receipt. Basically all you have to do, download the Dabble app, simple registration, choose a brand to engage with, like these kind of brands, loud earning gifts, and 5 to 10 gift card are emailed to you. Spend it however you want. So the concept of this is very simple. These are the brands they work with. Oreo, very big company, and basically these are really big companies that they work with. And it says, what do you want to turn your downtown into? So outdoor and adventures, basically Walmart, and gift these attraction and fun like Disney, and movies, like they're gonna give you also movies cards. So that's really cool. And you can also get Spotify, Walmart gift card, Best Buy, and Lowe's, and pretty much all the gift cards you need. So here they're not gonna give you any basically PayPal money. So all they're gonna give you is gift cards. And the best part, that they already paid out $2.3 million Dabble's gift card payout since 2017. So they have paid a really big amount of money since then, and the company is legit. So basically, I'm gonna also show you that their app, which is gonna be also into the Google Play Store, that you that's the only app that you need basically to really make money from this website. And all you have to do is basically gift card and then Play Store, and that's all about it. You're gonna get the app into your Play Store, and or basically Google Play and Apple Store. And this is the real deal. So, and also if you check, you'll see so much reviews about people giving them 4 stars. So the app has 4 star generally, so that means the app is really working and they pay enough. So if it wasn't paying enough, there won't be any 4 star for this. So this is the app, and this is how basically you can make money from it. And pretty much all you have to do is look, this is the gift cards you're going to be earning. You can refer these gift cards, and you can also, there's a refer system, sorry, that you can give it to people, and then if they use it and then they start making money, you can also earn money from them as well. So that's pretty much it, and this is how you can earn money with this app. And to be honest with you guys, the app, like, it's not gonna be overnight success. So this is something that you are gonna be doing the work. You're gonna be also doing some stuff, and then you're gonna be like, the brands you choose all depends on the brands, how much they're gonna give you, how much you're gonna make from that, and all of that thing is just depends on how much time you're gonna put on. So what I suggest you guys to do is you need to have more than one. There's gonna be double. If you also check my channels, once this video ends, there's gonna be a playlist that I have where I show all the apps and all the websites, all the things that you can make money from. That's going to be on the playlist. You can watch this playlist and then you can know more about ways to make money online. All right. Now, pretty much that's basically about the video. So make sure, if you guys like this, make sure to like this video. Also, if you guys already use this app, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about this app. And yes, and now for the huge announcement. Next week, I'm doing a really big giveaway. I'm assuming if you guys already subscribed, then you're already in. But if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn the notification on so that you can enter to the giveaway. I basically every 2 months to 3 months or 1 month I do a giveaway, and just appreciation for people who are listening and tuning into my channel and the support that I have for you guys also. So I'm doing that giveaway next week, and pretty much it could be next week in 2 weeks from now. And so the giveaway, everything, the details will be announced in upcoming videos. Yes, so if you guys also like this content, make sure to like and subscribe for the giveaway. Also, make sure to subscribe so that, and turn the notification on so that you get notified, because the giveaway is going to be coming soon. So the notification on is very essential for you guys to get to know everything in coming into this channel. Yes, that's all I was going to say. That's the announcement. And yes, if you guys are looking to make full-time income online and you want to be uh, get passive income online, I have a link in the first link in my description. That link will let you know and how I make my money online, how I generate $10,000 per month affiliate marketing. All you gotta do is sign up into my email list. Then I'm gonna send you a bunch of stuff like ways to make money online. All that will be into your email. So make sure to subscribe to my email list as well. And there's gonna be also a video of my mentor, which is gonna be also in the end. So yes, the link for that is in my description. I'm gonna also be sending you my $10,000 cheat sheet where you're gonna get to know how I make my money online. That's really big thing, so make sure to check that link in the description. And yes, without all the thing, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.